the only way we'll be rid of them. If we find the nest and destroy it, the dragons will leave. They'll find another home. One more search, before the ice sets in.
Those ships never come back.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard. Now, who's with me?
Today's not good for me.
All right. Those who stay will look after Hiccup. Yeah, that's more like it.
Right. I'll pack my undies.
No, I need you to stay and train some new recruits.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, and while I'm busy, Hiccup can cover the stall. Molten steel, razor-sharp blades, lots of time to himself. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, what am I going to do with him, Gobbler?
Put him in training with the others.
No, I'm serious.
So am I.
He'd be killed before you let the first dragon out of its cage.
Oh, you don't know that.
I do know that,
No,
actually.
you don't.
No, actually, I do.
No, you don't.
Listen, you know what he's like. From the time he could crawl, he's been different. He doesn't listen. He has the attention span of a sparrow. I take him fishing and he goes hunting for trolls.
Trolls exist. They steal your socks, but only the left ones. What's with that?
When I was a boy,
Oh, here we go.
my father told me to bang my head against a rock, and I did it. I thought it was crazy, but I didn't question him. And you know what happened?
You got a headache.
That rock split in two. It taught me what a Viking could do, Gobber. He could crush mountains, level forests, tame seas. Even as a boy, I knew what I was, what I had to become. Hiccup is not that boy.
You can't stop him, Stoic. You can only prepare him. I know it seems hopeless, but the truth is you won't always be around to protect him. He's going to get out there again. He's probably out there now.